All right, so let's go first in Discord and let's see how we can get the data. So the first thing is we type our swing keyword, and we now have different commands that we have available. So first is our 5 days, our 20 days, and then we're going to show you that we can actually get the levels directly into TradingView as well. So let's start with 5 days, for example, and let's do SPX. So this is the data on SPX as of last night with the data from yesterday. We're in the process of recalculating for today after the close. So what we had yesterday, we had a lower band of 5,500 and a risk trigger of 500,741 for the next 5 days. As you can see here, this is the back testing. So the lower band had a success rate of 71% over the past 14 days. On 14 days, the swing model had a success of 64% in the past 37 days. The success means that the price would have closed above the lower band or the next 5 days in the future, or below the upper band 5 days in the future, right? We can do the same for our 20 days. So if we look at our swing model, 20 days, and then now we have a lower band success rate of 95% on 22 days, and we see that the levels right here. And our upper band at a 94% on 17 days. So again, this is kind of like the results based on how the price has moved over the next 5 days and 20 days. But now you can also add the levels directly into TradingView. So if I type swing levels again, I can click on swing levels here, and I can type in my SPX command, and I can get the string for TradingView. I can also do swing, and I can do my list, and I can now type my tickers, and I can now get the list that can then be directly imported into TradingView. So now let's jump on the charts. And first of all, let's look at the price action for today. So here we have two indicators. We have our premium indicator with our gamma level, and then we have our premium indicator with our swing level. So the first thing we see is that straight after the event, we have a big pop on the SPX. We went all the way up to the 1-day max, came back down on the same candle, and then kind of like stayed around this area for until like 235, so during the event, and then kind of the price bounced back from that level. If we look here, we see the 1-day max of today, or as of yesterday, but we also see the risk trigger of 911, which is a level that is still valid, that was posted 5 trading days ago. So to look at this data, again, we can always go back here, and we can come on our swing levels, and we can go back in time by using the back arrow, and we can look at our 911. And these were the levels that were posted on 9/11. So we have a risk trigger of 5,666.27, which is this level here. So as we can see, the level that was posted 5 days ago was now kind of like acting as a rejection area that caused then the potential downside towards the close. Don't know if you want to add anything there, Patrick.
Yeah, so the only thing what I would be at is look at the 1-day max and the 1-day min. So it's always fantastic to see how the 1-day max and the 1-day min are playing out. So people always looking for objective support and resistance. But what you get with MenthorQ is you get this based on data. So the 1-day min and the 1-day max is a calculation based on volatility. So we give you an overview how big could be the move to the upside and to the downside. And this is very helpful to calculate also your risk. And I cannot stress this enough to say, okay, look into this. Because if you're looking into this, so you can also go in our board, maybe you can show the liquid map. So then you can make and shows, or you have an idea to make a sense today to go into the market. So we have a one-day expected move to the upside or to the downside from 0.85. So is this something what makes sense for you? 0.85? I would say everything what is less than 0.5, I will take hands off. But 0.85 is okay. It's you can take this. You can patience. But if you have maybe something different, so look at this. Nvidia is the best example. 3.114, 100% Nvidia will take my attention. So this is something where you can look as trader first, make the sense to watch this stock, to watch this indice, to watch this future, what else you're trading, take first a look in the one-day expected move, and then make a decision about how you risk your size. And yeah, it's amazing. So this is something what I can tell you about this.
Yeah. And again, the swing model currently is available for all our coverage of stocks, ETFs, and indices. It's not yet available on futures, but we can easily use our indicator to convert our SPX, for example, in this case, swing levels to ES. So the way I did that is very simple. I come in the indicator, I upload our SPX swing levels, and I now converted them to ES. So as we can see, that area, even on ES, if you're trading futures, really hold pretty well around here. And we also have our gamma levels. So this was a very important kind of like focus area during the move that you could have added to your chart. And then you have also like our more important levels. So we have our core resistance, our one-day max here as well, really strong there.